Everyone, and welcome back to this channel. And today I'm going to walk you through the review of Leonardo AI in 2025. You see, Leonardo AI remains a top versatile AI image generator praised for its user-friendly interface, deep creative controls like real-time canvas, model training, and strong free tier, making it excellent for creators, hobbyists, and marketers. While Mid-Journey often wins on sheer artistic flair, Leonardo AI shines with its consistency, customization, brand building tools, and newer features like video generation, though sometimes it's less refined, balancing speed, quality, and control for integrated creative pipelines. However, some find paywalling editing tools annoying and note privacy policy details are hidden. But its value for consistent, controllable output is high, despite token usage concerns. So let's look at the highlights, and that is the pros and the cons of Leonardo AI. Now, one of the pros is that it's versatile and customizable. That's right. It offers extensive models, styles like anime and cinematic styles, and tools like in painting, image to image, and style reference for detailed control, unlike more closed systems. When it comes to the second pro, it is user friendly. It has intuitive web platform, great for beginners with strong free plan, where you use daily tokens, and efficient for pros. Now, when you look at the third pro, is that it has brand building. Unique features like training and data sets allows you to train the custom models for consistent brand visuals. It has integrated workflow. That is the fourth pro. That is, it supports concept to delivery with features like real-time canvas for sketching and refinement. Then it has new features also like added video generation, motion 2.0, VO3, and enhanced team features. Lastly, it has a responsive support. Positive reviews mention helpful customer service. Let us look at the con. One of the cons is the token and paywalls I mentioned earlier. Advanced editing like upscale and video features cost more credits or require paid plans, which can get pricey. Then the second con is that it's a competition. It has a big competitor, which is Midjourney. You see, Midjourney is better because even though the other AI is versatile, it might lack Midjourney's unique wow factor for purely artistic surreal images. And then the last con is video limitations. Video generation is present but considered less advanced than image features. So it's more about the image and the video. But now let's look at who is Leonardo AI best for. One is best for creators needing consistent style, like games and marketing. Then for hobbyists and professionals wanting deep control, is best for them. Also best for building brand assets. And lastly, best for users who value a unified creative studio over just a generator. So what's the final verdict? The final verdict is that Leonardo AI is a powerful creator-focused AI art studio in 2025 that's offering unparalleled control and a strong free start. Though beginners should watch token use and understand its strengths lies in versatility and branding rather than just raw artistic spectacle. That's it about Leonardo AI. Hope you found this video helpful.